have a championship like we did last year, points race. We have a $10,000 points race, $10,000 championship, and a $2,500 big fish bounty this year. We're going to take the top 50 anglers, and every first place and big fish team qualifies to go to Crystal City, Missouri for a $10,000 no entry fee championship. That's good right there. How we do today? Slow. Boat 16, Scott and Ronnie. You got some grips? You need some grips? Lively fish. That's a good fish. First. He doesn't want to be weighed. He's still swimming. Yeah, let's wipe him off a little bit. All right, let me tear this. All right, go ahead and put him in. And then you also got a tournament coming up. July 31st at Carlisle. All right, big fish 28.46. 28.46. Total weight, they're talking 55.94.